Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 7 on L'Hospital rule and indeterminate forms. In this lecture we will discuss one more problem on indeterminate forms. So this question was asked in GTU Winter 2020 examination. So here we are given this limit, we have to find out value of this limit x approaching 0 and function is tan square x minus x square divided by x square times tan square x. So we can check by taking x equal to 0 in the numerator. If we put x equal to 0 in the numerator, we have tan square 0 minus 0 square, that is 0 minus 0. So numerator approaches 0 as x approaches 0. And similarly, if we take x equal to 0 in the denominator, then we have 0 square into tan 0, that is also 0. Therefore we have 0 by 0 type indeterminate form here. So we can apply L'Hospital rule from the very first step. But if we apply L'Hospital rule directly from this step, then for derivative of this x square into tan square x, we have to apply product rule, that is x square as it is derivative of tan square x plus tan square x as it is derivative of x square. So if we wish, we can apply L'Hospital rule directly, or what other thing we can do is we can use this standard limit. We know that limit of tan x by x as x approaching 0 is 1. So we can use this standard limit and we can simplify this limit so that we can easily, or we can have less number of calculations in derivatives. So to use that limit, here in the denominator we have tan square x. So we can write denominator as, because I have tan square x, I divide by x square. So I have to multiply by x square, and here we have already 1 x square. So this we can rewrite as x raised to 4 times tan square x by x square, and we keep this as it is, tan square x minus x square. Now we can apply the limit product rule for limits. We know that limit of product equal to product of limits. So we can consider this as a product of two functions. One function is tan square x minus x square over x raised to 4. Another function is 1 over tan square x by x square. So if we apply product rule for limits, we have limit of tan square x minus x square divided by x raised to 4 times limit x approaching 0 1 divided by tan square x divided by x square. So this is going to be limit x approaching 0 tan square x minus x square divided by x raised to 4, and this we can rewrite as limit of 1 is 1 and limit of tan x by x whole square as x approaching 0. Now this limit is 1, so we have our limit simplifies to this limit x approaching 0 tan square x minus x square divided by x raised to 4, and we can check. If we take x equal to 0, we have tan 0 minus 0, that is 0, divided by 0 raised to 4, that is 0. So this is also 0 by 0 form. So we can see we have converted this indeterminate form, we have converted this limit, this is also 0 by 0 form. So we can apply L'Hospital rule from this step also if we wish, but we have not applied L'Hospital rule, but we have converted this limit into simple limit, which is also 0 by 0 type indeterminate form. So what is benefit of converting in this form? So benefit is if we start applying L'Hospital rule from this step, then here we have to apply product rule for derivative of x square into tan square x. And here you can compare, if we apply L'Hospital rule from this step, then here derivative will be short. Here derivative of x raised to 4 will be 4x cube. So that is the benefit, that derivatives will become comfortable or easy. So now we apply L'Hospital rule. Derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. Derivative of tan square x is 2 tan x into sec square x minus derivative of x square is 2x. So here we applied L'Hospital rule. So in the bracket we mention whatever we are applying. Now we can simplify this. So this becomes limit x approaching 0. We can cancel out 2 here. So we have tan x times sec square x minus x divided by 2 times x cube. So we have cancelled out these 2. So there will be 1 2 here. Now again we can check, if we take x equal to 0, we have tan 0 is 0, sec 0 is 1. So 0 into 1 is 0, minus 0, that is 0, and this denominator becomes 0 when we put x equal to 0. So this is again 0 by 0 form. So we again apply L'Hospital rule. So for that we differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So now first we differentiate this denominator, derivative of 2x cube, 2 constant, derivative of x cube is 3x square. And for derivative of this product we have to apply product rule. So we keep tan x as it is, and the derivative of sec square x is 2 sec x and into derivative of sec x, which is sec x into tan x. So we can combine this sec x into sec x, and we can rewrite this as 2 times square of sec x into tan x. So this is derivative of square of sec x, and plus square of sec x as it is, derivative of tan x, which is sec square x, minus derivative of 1. So here I repeat again, we have applied product rule for derivative of tan x into sec square x. We keep tan x as it is, derivative of sec square x is 2 sec x into sec into tan, that is 2 sec square x into tan x, plus sec square x as it is, derivative of tan x is sec square x minus 1. So here we have applied L'Hospital rule again. Now we can rewrite all these terms and we simplify first. So in the denominator we have 6 times x square. Here we have 2 times square of sec x into square of tan x, this tan x into tan x, plus sec raised to 4x minus 1. Now we again take x approaching 0 and we check what we obtain. So if we take x approaching 0, tan 0 will be 0 and sec 0 is 1. So this term becomes 0 when we put x equal to 0, plus sec 0 is 1 and this minus 1. So again we have 0 when we take x equal to 0 in the numerator, and this also becomes 0 when we put x equal to 0. So again we obtain 0 by 0 form. So we have to apply L'Hospital rule again. So again we apply L'Hospital rule, and first we write down derivative of this 6x square, which is 6 into 2x. We have to apply product rule again here. So we keep these 2 as constant, square of sec x as it is, derivative of tan square x is 2 tan x into derivative of tan x, which is sec square x, plus tan square x as it is. Derivative of sec square x is 2 sec x into sec into tan, that is 2 sec square x into tan x. And I write here because I am not having space here. Derivative of sec raised to 4x is 4 times sec raised to 3x into derivative of sec x, which is sec into tan. So finally we will have sec raised to 4x into tan x, and minus derivative of 1 is 0, and this is in the bracket. So we again check. Here we have taken 2 outside, and in the bracket we write down derivative of sec square into tan square using product rule. So first we keep sec square x as it is. Derivative of tan square x is 2 tan x into derivative of tan x, which is sec square x. Then we keep tan square x as it is, and we write down derivative of sec square x, which is 2 sec x into sec into tan, that is finally 2 sec square x into tan x, plus derivative of sec raised to 4 is 4 into sec raised to 3 into sec into tan, so that is finally 4 into sec raised to 4 into tan x. So we further simplify this, and let's see what we obtain. So limit x approaching 0, here we write 12x, we multiply with these 2, this bracket is multiplied by 2, so we have 2 into 2, 4, here we have sec raised to 2 into 2, that is sec raised to 4 into tan x, plus this 2 is multiplied with this 2, so it is 4 times tan square x into tan x, tan raised to 3x into sec square x, plus 4 times sec raised to 4x into tan x. So let me check again. 2 into 2, 4, sec square x into sec square x, sec raised to 4x into tan x, plus this 2 is multiplied with this 2, 4 times tan square x into tan x, tan raised to 3 into sec square x, plus 4 times sec raised to 4x into tan x. So in all these terms we can see we have sec x into tan x as common quantity, and that we can take outside this. So limit x tending to 0, if we take sec into tan common, and we can take 4 also common, 4 into sec into tan. So here we are left with sec raised to 3x, because sec into tan is common, plus here we are left with tan square x into sec x, and here we are left with sec raised to 3x into tan x divided by 12x. So let me check again. I am taking 4 sec x into tan x common, so here I will be left with sec cube x. Here I will be left with tan square x into 1 sec x, and here I will be left with sec raised to 3x only, because tan x is outside, so it is sec raised to 3x only. Sec x into tan x is outside, so we are left with sec raised to 3x here. Now this you can visualize. If you visualize, then I have tan x divided by x, this 4 will cancel out here, we are left with 3, and if you can see, this is equal to 1 by 3 times this. I can again apply product rule for limit, and I can rewrite this as limit of tan x divided by x, and I take 1 by 3 outside, and limit x approaching 0, and I combine all these things. I keep all those things as it is. Sec x is there. Here I have sec cube x plus tan square x into sec x plus sec cube x. Okay, so I am writing this bracket as it is, sec cube x tan square into sec x plus sec cube x and into sec x. So we are applying product rule. Now we know that this limit is 1, so we write here 1, and now we take x equal to 0, so sec 0 is 1, and here also sec 0 is 1 plus tan 0 into sec 0, that is 0 into 1, so it is 0 plus sec 0, that is 1. So you can see if we simplify this, this is 1, and here we obtain 1 plus 1, that is 2. So our answer is 2 by 3. So we have to be careful. This is very easy, but we have to be careful while differentiating and while applying product rule several times. Okay, so in this way we can apply L'Hospital rule to determine or evaluate limits of this type. Okay, so this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.